Good afternoon, boys and girls. And today for math, we are going to be talking about a tens frame. We have been learning about numbers 1 through 10, but now we are going to learn how to show these numbers. We are going to use a tens frame. And here is what a tens frame looks like. Now, do you hear a number when I say the name tens frame? Do you hear 5? No. What about 8? Do you hear 8? No. What about 10? Do you hear the number 10? I do. I hear the number 10 when I say tens frame. So let's look at our tens frame. Let's count those squares inside of our tens frame. Let's count. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 squares inside of our tens frame. It will never change. There will always be 10 squares inside of our tens frame. So let's look at our fingers. Show me 10 fingers. Show them at home like you would show me at school. Let's count. You count my fingers as I count. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, so I have 10 fingers, which is equal to the squares inside of our tens frame. 10 fingers, 10 squares. So let's look at our 10 fingers again. If I have, how many fingers do I have on my first hand right here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count our squares at the top. Ready, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so I have 5 fingers on my first hand, and there are 5 squares at the top of my tens frame. Let's look at the bottom. I have 5 fingers on my other hand. Let's just check to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count the bottom row now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom. Just like I have 5 fingers on one hand and 5 fingers on the other. So let's look and see if we want to make the number 5. Okay, I'm going to use my cubes that I have right here. And I always start with a clear board. So if I have my cubes here and I want to make the number 5, I first have to show it with my hand. So I'm going to show 5 fingers. Okay, so now I know that I have 5 and I want to make 5 up here. And do you remember how many are always at the top? That's right, you should say 5. There's always 5 at the top. So instead of counting, I know I can just put my cubes inside. Even if I have a leftover, that's okay. I can leave it to the side because I know just filling that top is 5. Let's check and make sure that we're right though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like we wanted. We wanted to show 5 and there it is. Let's do it again. I need to clear my board. Let's do the number 8. So show me 8 fingers at home, just like I'm doing here in class. Okay, let's count. We have 5. Let's count on. 6, 7, 8. Do I have a group of 5? Yes, I do. I have this whole hand, which is worth 5. So I know that I can take that 5 and show it going right across on the top line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I'm not done because I wanted to show 8. So I have my whole hand that I've already shown at the top. So now what do I have left? 1, 2, 3. So I need 3 more. And I'm going to show those 3 more with another color. So here's my 3. Okay? Now, how many were at the top? That's right, 5. So we can say that number and count on. Say it with me. 5. Now count on. 6, 7, 8. Do it one more time with me. Count on. 5, 6, 7, 8. Very Very good. Clear my board. Let's make the number 6. Here we go, make 6. So I have 5 and then 6. Do I have a group of 5? Yes, I do. It's right here. So if I have a group of 5, that means my cubes can go all the way across. I don't even have to think about it. I just put them across. I know that in my tens frame, I have 5 across. So if I show 6 again, here's my group of 5 that I just showed with my purple cubes. Now I need one more. I have one left over, so I'm going to show that with my other color, with my orange. Let's count it. How many's at the top? That's right. Say it again. 5, 6. Do it with me. 5, 6. Very good, boys and girls. Go ahead and clear your board, or I'm going to clear my board one last time. You are going to be practicing this tomorrow when you come to class. One last number. Let's look at the number 10. Show me 10 fingers. Do I have a group of 5? Yes, I do. I have one here. But oh, look, I have another one right here. So I have 2 groups of 5. Well, how many were at the top? That's right, 5. And how many were at the bottom? 5 again. So that means there are 2 groups of 5. So if I look at them, I'm going to take care of my first group of 5, and I'm going to put them at the top. There's my 5. Okay, and then I have another group of 5. So I'm going to take my other color cubes, my orange cubes, and I'm going to show my other group of 5 on the bottom. So let's count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do it with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And later on, we're going to be able to count by 5s. 5, 10. Or we can say 5 and 5 make 10, which we'll practice as we get better. So tomorrow when you come to class, we are going to be working with our, what is this called again? Yes, that's right, a tens frame. Say it one more time with me. Tens frame. So we will be using our tens frame with our 10 squares inside. If you have any questions, boys and girls, please bring them tomorrow to class, or you can press rewind and watch this video again. I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.